In the intricate dance of project management, where timelines are tight, resources are finite, and goals are often ambitious, two elements stand out as absolutely crucial for navigating the complexities and ultimately achieving success: teamwork and effective communication. They are not merely desirable attributes, but rather the very foundation upon which successful projects are built. Neglecting either of these pillars is akin to constructing a building on shaky ground. The higher you aim, the greater the risk of collapse. Think of a project as a complex machine with numerous moving parts. Each team member represents a vital component, and the project manager acts as the orchestrator, ensuring all parts work in harmony towards a common objective. Without seamless teamwork and crystal-clear communication, this machine will sputter, grind, and eventually break down. Teamwork, the power of synergy. Teamwork, at its core, is the collaborative effort of individuals to achieve a shared goal. In the context of project management, it means bringing together individuals with diverse skills, experiences, and perspectives and fostering an environment where they can work together effectively. It's about more than just assigning tasks. It's about cultivating a sense of shared ownership, mutual respect, and collective responsibility. A high-performing team operates with a sense of synergy, where the combined output is greater than the sum of individual contributions. This happens when team members feel empowered to contribute their unique talents, challenge ideas constructively, and support each other in overcoming obstacles. When teamwork is strong, tasks are distributed efficiently based on individual strengths. Problems are solved more creatively through collective brainstorming, and the overall morale remains high, even under pressure. Effective teamwork fosters a culture of mutual accountability. When team members feel they are part of something bigger than themselves and that their contributions are valued, they are more likely to take ownership of their responsibilities and strive for excellence. This shared accountability reduces the likelihood of tasks falling through the cracks and ensures that everyone is pulling in the same direction. Furthermore, strong teamwork promotes knowledge sharing and skill development. When individuals collaborate closely, they learn from each other's experiences and expertise. This cross-pollination of knowledge can lead to innovative solutions and enhance the overall capabilities of the team. Junior members can learn from more experienced colleagues, and seasoned professionals can gain fresh perspectives from newer team members. However, building effective teamwork doesn't happen by chance. It requires conscious effort from the project manager and all team members. This includes clearly defining roles and responsibilities, establishing shared goals, fostering a culture of trust and open dialogue, and addressing conflicts constructively. Project managers play a crucial role in facilitating team cohesion through team-building activities, regular meetings, and creating opportunities for informal interaction. Effective communication, the lifeblood of projects. While teamwork provides the engine for project success, effective communication is the fuel that keeps it running smoothly. Communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, and feedback between individuals or groups. In project management, clear, concise, and timely communication is essential for ensuring that everyone is on the same page, understands their roles and responsibilities, and is aware of project progress, risks, and changes. Poor communication, on the other hand, can lead to misunderstandings, errors, delays, and ultimately project failure. Imagine a scenario where a key requirement is not clearly communicated to the development team, resulting in rework and missed deadlines. Or consider a situation where a potential risk is not communicated to the project manager in time, leading to unforeseen problems. These examples highlight the critical role of effective communication in mitigating risks and ensuring smooth project execution. Effective communication encompasses various aspects, including clarity. Messages should be unambiguous and easy to understand, avoiding jargon or technical terms that the audience may not be familiar with. Conciseness. Information should be conveyed efficiently, getting straight to the point without unnecessary details. Timeliness. Information should be shared promptly, ensuring that team members have the necessary updates when they need them. Active listening. It's not just about transmitting information, but also about actively listening to and understanding the perspectives of others. Appropriate channels. Choosing the right communication channel, e.g., email, instant messaging, face-to-face meetings, for the specific message and audience is crucial. Feedback. Providing and receiving constructive feedback is essential for continuous improvement and addressing potential issues early on. Project managers bear the responsibility of establishing a clear communication plan that outlines how, when, and through what channels communication will occur throughout the project lifecycle. This plan should address regular status updates, issue reporting, risk communication, and stakeholder engagement. Regular team meetings, both formal and informal, provide opportunities for open dialogue, addressing concerns, and fostering a sense of shared understanding.